Hello fellas. Welcome back to Top 5 Choices. This is Haley from Top 5 Choices, and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am going to do a detailed review and pick the top 5 best camera sliders, 2022. After doing proper researches, we came to the conclusion that meets the best in terms of overall. Kindly leave a like if you find this helpful, and I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications if you haven't. We will be also providing affiliates link to purchase from Amazon. Kindly use it for best offers and purchase from anywhere in the world. We'll be back with more videos. The EDELKRONE SLIDERPLUS V5 Compact is designed with movable rails that travel during a slide to give you extra travel distance while keeping the slider compact. When used on the ground or other surface, it has a travel length of 0.7 foot and supports up to 50 pounds. Mounted on a tripod, it provides a travel length of 1.3 with up to 15 pounds loads supported. The movable design also works for dolly shots, because since the rails move along with the carriage, they won't get in the shot when you dolly in and out. The SLIDERPLUS V5 Compact is a manual ball-bearing slider, but it supports the optional slide module V3 attachment for motion control, and other EDELKRONE motorized add-ons can be incorporated for fully synchronized multi-axis motion control operated via a single iOS/Android app. When paired with the slide module V3, the SLIDERPLUS V5 Compact can be mounted on a tripod at an incline of up to 22.5 degrees with up to 5.5 pounds loads. The slider carriage features a retractable 3/8" mounting screw, so it doesn't scratch up your bag or anything else during transport. On the bottom, the slider offers a 3/8" thread for more robust tripod mounting. For tripod-mounted use, EDELKRONE suggests that the space between the tripod legs be 27.5 inch or more. Other features include lockable fold-out legs, an instant lock button on the slider carriage so you can safely move the slider from place to place, and magnetic belt clips. The belt clips of the included belts simply push in onto the slider carriage for efficient use. The SLIDERPLUS V5 Compact is made of aluminum and stainless steel components, steel ball bearings, and temperature-treated aluminum rods. Some of the parts are made from a single block of aluminum to ensure a longer lifespan. This BENRO Move Over 8B carbon fiber slider with case includes an aluminum slider carriage that runs on carbon fiber rails with 35.4 inch of actual carriage travel, and a soft carry case. The carriage features a flat mounting surface with a 3/8" threaded mounting stud for mounting your flat base fluid head, and it features pre-tensioned roller bearings for a smooth glide. A built-in friction brake is controlled by a single knob, allowing you to adjust the friction on the slider, or even use it as a brake when the slider is level. The slider features 18 mm diameter carbon fiber rails and supports a total payload of up to 17.6 pounds. The slider can be mounted on a tripod or stands, or placed on a level surface. The built-in bubble level enables you to confirm that your slider is level. Each leg mounts onto the slider track ends via a rosette and can rotate throughout 360 degrees, and each foot has approximately 4 inch of height adjustment for leveling. You can operate the slider on any angle from 0 to 90 degrees, and you can even undersling the slider. The adjustable legs can be moved throughout 360 degrees of rotation. However, they are at their most supportive between 12 and 60 degrees. The track ends allow you to mount the slider on stands using the baby pin slot. Each track end features 1/4" and 3/8" threaded mounting holes. The slider can also be mounted directly onto a tripod using the 3/8" or 1/4" threaded mounting hole on the attached cheese plate. The carriage has 4 1/4" threaded mounting holes for accessories. The 31-inch carbon fiber camera video slider is a motorized slider that you can program and control remotely using a downloadable wireless remote app. It features carbon fiber rails, and the carriage features 8 bearings to deliver smooth, stable sliding action along the 31 inch of travel. The slider has a load capacity of 22 pounds when horizontal in manual mode, and up to 5.5 pounds when powered and operated in remote mode. The slider carriage has a built-in bubble level, so you can check that your setup is level. Built-in, non-slip feet allow you to adjust the slider's position and level. The wireless app downloads onto your smartphone and allows you to control and program the slider to do a variety of moves, and you can set it to travel end-to-end between 18 seconds and 15 minutes for various creative shots and effects. The slider system supports live video shooting as well as time-lapse, panorama, and tracking shots. The slider and app firmware support camera control on popular control and mirrorless cameras, and 6 camera cables are included to support shutter release Canon, Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, Samsung, and Pentax cameras. The motorized slider powers from an L-series/NBF 550 type battery that provides approximately 3 hours of operation on a fully charge, and it charges with the included USB charger, wireless remote-controlled slider carriage using smartphone. When horizontal, it supports up to 22 pounds in manual mode, and up to 5.5 pounds when powered in remote mode. 31 inch of travel on carbon fiber rails with aluminum components. Create time-lapse, panoramic, and tracking shots. L-series battery with USB charger, approximately 3 hours of runtime with full battery. 6 shutter release cables for Canon, Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, Samsung, and Pentax cameras included. Slider travel time range from end to end, 18 seconds to 15 minutes. The YC Onion Chocolate Mini Slider is a highly portable compact slider measuring only 9 inch end to end. It's ideal for compact cameras and smartphones via a smartphone adapter, but ultimately supports a high payload of 44 pounds. When set on the ground or desktop, it provides a sliding range of 5.5 inch for close-up sliding shots. But when mounted on a tripod, it travels 11 inch thanks to an extending design. With the bottom mount attached to a tripod, the slider itself, not just the slider carriage, actually moves above this central mounting point. The slider carriage features a 3/8 inch -16 mounting screw for attaching most tripod heads and ball heads. Your camera can then be mounted on the optional head and adjusted as you need. A bubble level on top of the slider lets you balance your shots. On the bottom, the slider offers both 1/4 inch -20 and 3/8 -16 tripod mount threads for compatibility with virtually all tripods. TREXO has launched the TREXO wheels on Kickstarter, with a claim to be the world's first tabletop dolly equipped with image processing. The TREXO wheels are essentially a classic skater dolly with the ability to be programmed via the unit control panel, or with the companion app. TREXO wheels is the ability to use the companion app to take a photo of the tabletop and generate custom paths based on the objects on the table. To do this, you need to have the launch pad in the picture, which helps the app scale and distort the image accordingly. The TREXO wheels have a compact, foldable design. A battery is built in that is rechargeable via USB-C. TREXO claims 12 hours standby and 2-hour runtime. The included tabletop can be used to create 360-degree product shots and videos. It is reversible, so you can use it as a black or white surface that aligns to the center magnetically using a compatible cable. The TREXO wheels can trigger the camera for time-lapse recording programmed via the Android app.